In order to create a new link unit in AdSense, first you need to sign into your AdSense account. In the left navigation panel, click on My Ads. Then click Content. Then go over to the New Ad Unit button and click on it. You need to give your link unit a name. It's a good idea to use a unique descriptive name that will help you find this link unit later. In the Ad Size section, select the Link Ads category. Then choose the size of the link unit that you'd like to show on your site. It is recommended to choose responsive links to create a link unit, which will automatically adapt its size to your page layout. You can also want to apply a text ad style for your link unit, or even set up a custom channel to track your link unit. Having done that, from the Backup Ads drop-down, choose what you'd like to show on your page if Google has no targeted link unit topics available. Then click Save and Get Code. Copy and paste the ad code into the HTML source code of your pages where you'd like link unit topics to appear. Once you've saved your website, link unit topics will appear within a few minutes.